It is difficult to keep the medical knowledge up to date, and we need some help from technology. I have created a tool to extract clinical rules or associations from published biomedical literature automatically. Let me show it to you. First, a disclaimer. What I'm going to show you today is an experimental application for research. The information presented here is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and it is not for use in a clinical setting. It is available at gulfdoctor.net. The various icons on top are diseases, symptoms, anatomy, medications, and procedures. These icons take you to the code and some of my other websites. Let me click on diseases and search for COVID and click here to see the ClinGraph. This is the auto-generated ClinGraph of COVID. As we speak, it is combing PubMed for new evidence in the background. ClinGraph is a result of my research on knowledge representation in clinical medicine. The central concept can be a disease, anatomical location, signs or symptoms, medication or procedure, and is surrounded by related concepts. In this case, the central concept is COVID-19. These associations are learned by NLP and machine learning methods and have attributes such as support, confidence, and lift. The fill color of the concept circle indicates the type of concept, whether it is a disease or symptom, etc. The length of the line connecting concepts depicts the inverse of confidence, so that the concept with high confidence will be closer to the root concept. The thickness of the line connecting concepts represents the support of the association rule. The diameter of the outer concept circle represents the lift of the association rule. You can upvote or downvote rules to indicate their importance. Some concepts may be very generic, so please downvote them so that the system can filter them. All rules are saved in a Neo4j database. The concepts are identified by the UMLS CUI or the concept unique identifier. You can also have other views, for example, a symptom-centric view, and you can click on any of the symptoms or signs to have the ClinGraph with that symptom or sign at the center. The database is limited for now, but it keeps learning automatically in the background. I'm trying to create a simple application for having an overview and to learn fast. I hope to build tools to generate differential diagnosis as well. It is available at gulfdoctor.net. Now, feel free to explore it. I should remind you though that it is not for clinical use yet. I post health informatics videos on this channel. Please subscribe if you are into health informatics. Thank you.